The enigmatic predictions of Nikola Tesla, a contemporary of Thomas Edison, had a scientific genius with significant contributions to 20th and 21st century humanity, continue to fascinate, known not only for his inventions, but also as a great seer. Tesla made accurate predictions about modern times. Among his predictions was the assertion that in most areas of the moon, stars outside solar system are nearly impossible to see, even with astronomical telescopes, including the Milky Way. The reason behind this phenomenon, so secretive that even NASA seemed to conceal it, ties back to Tesla's unconventional character and bizarre claims about future scientific advancements, which often isolated him and labeled him a mad scientist. Yet, Tesla was a great inventor and prophet. He accurately predicted the timings, beginnings, and ends of both World Wars I and II, and even the tragic sinking of the Titanic, advising financier Morgan not to board the ship he had heavily invested in. Morgan heeded Tesla's warning and fortuitously avoided the disaster. Tesla's most unbelievable and least mentioned prophecy, confirmed by the first astronauts on the moon, remained shrouded in mystery. Possibly due to its innate ability, Tesla predicted a protective shield in the solar system, resonating and amplifying, necessary to escape the solar system's prison and travel anywhere. He also foretold the discovery of the focus of the solar system's shell at the North or South Pole. This dead point, where stars in the sky dramatically decrease, contrasts with another point, the live point, where stars significantly increase. The experimental scientific community has classified the focus of the solar system's shell as top secret, also known as the focus of the wormhole's mouth. Wormholes, familiar to many, were essentially gateways for the instantaneous space travel or time travel. Tesla's prophecies might not seem special, but their implications worried NASA. The historic Apollo 11 mission on July 20, 1969, marked humanity's first manned lunar landing. However, upon returning, the astronauts began devoting themselves to spiritual cultivation. A stark change from their scientific beliefs. It recruited a shocking phenomenon to NASA's, and the absence of stars when looking into space from the moon's surface, a sight that was unsettlingly pitch black. This revelation led to its classification as top secret by the US military, and triggered a quest to explore the solar system's shell. NASA launched Pioneer 10 in 1972 and Pioneer 11 in 1973, followed by Voyager 1 and 2 in 1977, all aimed at exploring the solar system shell. The unmanned spacecraft launched by NASA in 2000 found that the solar system's intercircular shell is at least 9 billion km thick with about 5 layers. Beyond 12 billion km from Earth, space turns pitch black, with even the sun becoming invisible. This discovery suggests that Earth's view of the universe is a reflection through a massive cosmic lens, with different focal points revealing different astronomical sights. This revelation implies that Earth and the solar system were intricately designed rather than naturally formed, challenging conventional understanding and corroborating ancient civilizations' legends about a creator. Could it be that these myths and legends from various ancient civilizations are rooted in truth? If the solar system is crafted and Earth is an experimental ground, what could be the purpose of this grand experiment? Could it be related to the law of one or an impending salvation prophecy by saints? These astonishing insights in hidden truths, validated by scientific discovery in Tesla's predictions, open up profound questions about our universe, our existence, and the nature of reality itself. As the mysteries of Tesla's predictions and the astronauts' experiences unravel, we're compelled to reconsider our understanding of the cosmos. The idea that the solar system and Earth are not just cosmic accidents, but intricately designed constructs suggests a level of sophistication and purpose beyond our current scientific comprehension. The implications are vast. If Earth is indeed an experimental zone, it raises questions about the nature of this experiment. Is it a test of human civilization's evolution? Or is it something more profound, possibly even spiritual in nature? The change in the astronauts' beliefs post their lunar experience hints at a transformative realization, one that transcends scientific knowledge and enters the realm of the spiritual or metaphysical. Tesla's predictions, once considered the ramblings of a mad scientist, now appear to hold a deeper truth, possibly hinting at a cosmic design or intelligence. The idea of a protective shield or a focal point in the solar system aligns with his other visionary ideas, which were far ahead of his time. These concepts challenge the current scientific paradigms, and invite us to look at the universe with a new perspective. The astronauts' shift in focus towards spirituality after their lunar mission further complicates the narrative. Their first-hand experience of something beyond ordinary perception on the moon might have confronted them with realities that science alone cannot explain. This experience could have led them to experience spirituality as a means to comprehend these profound mysteries. The concept of the Earth and the solar system as a grand design rather than a random occurrence aligns with many ancient civilizations' beliefs in a creator or a higher cosmic order. These civilizations, though diverse in culture and geography, shared remarkably similar myths and legends about the creation of the universe, suggesting a common understanding or experience of the cosmos. In summary, the convergence of Tesla's prophecies, the astronauts' lunar experiences, and ancient myths and legends point towards a more complex and possibly purposeful universe than what current scientific understanding allows. It opens up a realm of possibilities that intertwine science, spirituality, and the quest for understanding our place in the cosmos. Whether this leads to a new era of enlightenment or more profound questions about our existence remains to be seen. But it certainly invites us to keep an open mind about the mysteries of the universe. This intersection of science and spirituality, as highlighted by Tesla's predictions and the astronauts' experiences, encourages us to reevaluate our understanding of the universe. The notion that the solar system, particularly Earth, could be a deliberate construct, brings forth intriguing possibilities about the nature and purpose of our existence. If Earth is indeed an experimental space, raises profound questions about the objectives and the entities behind such an experiment. Is it a cosmic test of humanity's evolution, a trial of our collective consciousness, or deeper, more enigmatic purpose that we are yet to understand? This perspective aligns with many ancient philosophical and spiritual teachings, suggesting a universal consciousness or intelligence that governs or influences cosmic events. The astronauts' turn towards spirituality post their lunar missions hints at an encounter with truths that transcended their scientific understanding. Perhaps what they witnessed or experienced on the moon was so profound and unsettling that it reshaped their perception of reality, leading them to seek answers in spirituality and faith. Tesla's foresight, often dismissed during his lifetime, now seems to hold more weight than ever. His ability to predict technological advancements and cosmic phenomena suggests a deep understanding of natural laws and the universe's workings. His insights push the boundaries of conventional science, proposing theories that may only now be within our grasp to understand. Furthermore, the consistent themes in creation myths and legends across various ancient civilizations point to a shared understanding or experience of the universe's origin. This commonality might be more than mere coincidence, indicating ancient knowledge or wisdom about the cosmos that modern science is only beginning to grasp. In conclusion, the intertwining of Tesla's visionary predictions, the transformative experiences of the astronauts, and the ancient wisdom about the cosmos invites a broader exploration of our universe. It challenges us to think beyond the confines of current scientific paradigms and to consider the possibility of a more intricate and purposeful cosmic design. This exploration may lead us to new discoveries about our universe, our place in it, and the nature of reality itself. Exploring these ideas further, it becomes evident that our quest for understanding the universe is as much a spiritual journey as it is a scientific one. The experiences of these astronauts, after witnessing the vastness and mystery of space, suggest that such profound experiences can lead to a radical shift in perspective, where the lines between science and spirituality blur. This shift in perspective aligns with the concept of a holistic universe, where science and spirituality are not opposing forces, but complementary aspects of a greater truth. This perspective resonates with many indigenous and ancient philosophies, where the understanding of the cosmos encompasses both the physical and the metaphysical. The potential implications of Earth being an experimental space are vast. It could mean that our planet and its inhabitants are part of a larger cosmic plan or experiment, possibly orchestrated by higher intelligence or cosmic forces. This idea parallels the concept of Gaia theory in modern science, which posits that Earth is a self-regulating, complex system, akin to a single organism. Moreover, the idea that Earth's creation and its role in the cosmos might be intentional opens up new avenues for contemplating our purpose and destiny as a species. It encourages a re-evaluation of our relationship with the planet, each other, and the cosmos at large. It prompts us to consider how our actions and advancements as a civilization align with this grand cosmic experiment. In light of these revelations, the pursuit of science and spirituality becomes a unified endeavor. It suggests that understanding the universe's mysteries might require us to transcend traditional scientific methods and embrace a more integrated approach that includes spiritual wisdom and intuition. This unified approach could lead to breakthroughs in understanding the nature of consciousness, the fabric of reality, and into the non-innatedness of all things. It might also provide insights into addressing challenges facing humanity and our planet, from climate change to social inequality. In conclusion, the blend of Tesla's visionary insights, the profound changes in astronauts post their lunar experience, and the ancient understanding in the cosmos invites us to embrace a more holistic view of our place in the universe. It calls for a paradigm shift where science and spirituality coalesce, leading us toward a deeper, more comprehensive understanding of our world and beyond.